Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a website. The name of the website is remove.bg. It is used to remove background from images and it's 100% automatically and free. So let's check out this video. I will upload a photo for you and let's see if this site works or not. Let's find first a photo. It's really hard to find photos over here. Let's check out different let's use different photo. Oh, it's really hard to find photos over here. I will use this photo and let's open this photo and let's see if this site works or not. And here you can see the background is removed and it's totally free and you can download it for HD. So let's check out this video and have a great day.